Hello and welcome to this Letsignit tutorial. In this video we will go over the different steps needed to set up the SMTP connector for Office 365. This will enable your users to sign emails sent from mobile devices. Head over to your Office 365 Integrations tab on the platform. Click on Configuration under the SMTP part. Over here you will need to type in your domain name. Please note that if you have multiple domains, you will need to do this configuration for each domain. We will need to choose an admin account disposing of a license giving them access to the Exchange Admin Center. For example, an E3 license. This part of the setup is used to detect the relay host, which will be used to relay the emails back to your Office 365. If this is not successful, please contact our support team so they can further assist you. Next, we will need to authorize the PowerShell script to run in order to create the connectors as well as the rules in the Exchange Admin Center. We'll need to copy-paste the code like this and then choose the same admin account as before. Once that is done, we can close this window and head back to the platform. As you can see, the configuration has been validated. However, please note that this can take up to 60 minutes to propagate, so we advise you to set this up at an appropriate time in order to avoid emails being non-delivered. Once this is done, you should be all set to use the mobile device signatures. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.